it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give me another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Squash. Yeah, man, Squash. Know about that. Official music video drop an hour ago. So I'm going to jump in on it and see what I go. I'm just come out for the live and say I'm going to react to a couple of songs. So this is one of them. Let's go.
Yeah, Papa. What is it? Start it up like this. Me drop on me back it now no mileage. You see me smile, don't know me hurt about that.
Drop on me back it now no mileage. You know what that mean? Brand new for the showroom. Plastic pan seat. Pussy know about that, no man. Lifestyle.
Start it up like this. Me drop on me back it now no mileage. You see me smile, don't know me hurt about that. Things when me go through yet still me learning. Fucked up in a dark situation. What a great man. Reach out point in my life when I want to kill myself, but me stay strong. Better you don't.
That deep.
Six.
Am I missing something here? So we see Squash on the TV. We see match result 2-0 to one side. And then we see one goat right here. So what one?
Yeah, Papa. What is it? Start it up like this. Me drop on me back it not no mileage. You see me smile, don't know me hurt about that. Things when me go through yet still me learning. Fucked up in a dark situation. What a great man. Reach out point in my life when I want to kill myself, but me stay strong. Better you don't know about that. Better you don't know about that. Better them I know about that. Better them I know about that. Do not talk from bag of fuckery. And I better you don't know about Squash. Better you don't know about that. I better you don't know about that.
Better you don't know about that.
Me and the man, me have to take care of family. Been a grind real hard for me done mommy. But be 6 world poverty and struggling. Fret not thyself, shall we handle it? The pressure every more while, but the man solid. Me drink a buckle of any scene, strong to me. Been a deal with pain and the damn suicidal. And I better you don't know about that. Better you don't know about that. Better them I know about that. Better them I know about that. Do not talk about bag of fuckery. And I better you don't know about Squash. Better you don't know about that. I better you don't know about that. One hip hop boy miss a switch, but we good door. Something took 17, but my good clothes. Me no left it for a minute to no should know. And if on the move, gonna squeeze on head blow, bro.
When I run a party again.
About Squash. Better you don't know about that. I better you don't know about that.
Watch it out.
One hip hop boy miss a switch, but we good door. Something took 17, but my good clothes. Me no left it for a minute to no should know. And if on the move, gonna squeeze on head blow, bro.
Any funny move me a squeeze on head though. Me left it 17. Only boy miss a switch for me. But me good door. Yeah man, me good. Me just out here go and hold it, you know.
One hip hop boy miss a switch, but we good door. Something took 17, but my good clothes. Me no left it for a minute to no should know. And if on the move, gonna squeeze on head blow. Program I run till a boys have to pull through. Husband gang kill too. The bomb beans and cues and push through. Some gonna laugh, mash your bed with a push broom. But some charging now. Like them for the back of field, yeah, them off. Send go a 80, dark you know. White till the end, how we not give up. Better you don't know about that. Better you don't know about that. Better them don't know about that. Better them don't know about that. Do not talk from bag of fuckery. And I better you don't know about Squash. Better you don't know about that. I better you don't know about that.
Even if you just pick up yourself. Things is real. I say the G incarcerated, you see me? My prison I make for dog, so prison I make for dog. Some other people when I rejoice and I say, yo, them glad to the G get locked up. Prison I make for dog. Anyone we can end up there so at any given time. You see me? All innocently too. So nobody feel that because you know out there not do nothing or no good. It fuck we can go on. Enough innocent man there jail right now. You see me? So yeah, big up 6 is real. Big up Squash. Yeah man, big up yourself, my G. Bumbo class. Squash I find it song after it song, brother. Yo, what do you think about that one, dog? What do you think about that one there? What about it now? What about for you? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Honestly though, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Big up yourself, Squash man. 6 is real.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm a man vice of the real artist because I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.